Morning, folks. It's bike service time. So we're up. We're out. Roads are wet through. So, as usual, getting caught out in the wet. No scenic routes today. So with Chris Walker Motorcycles in Grantham, where I got my bike from. "10 degrees this morning." So there's a chance of it raining. Might get wet on the way home, I don't know, might get wet on the way there. Need to ask him about my chain. It's getting harder and harder to keep the rust at bay on it. And it just looks terrible. Cleaned this again yesterday. The old heated grips are coming on now. Beautiful. I'll not be tipping it round here. I do not like it when it's wet. Visor's getting shit up already. Sun's reflecting off the road. Maybe I'll do some moaning today. Tracy's not with me. She's I don't think she's poorly. I hope probably just felt a bit shit. Didn't feel like it, so. Cold and wet. Ah well, summer's coming. It's coming now. Having all this rain at minute. Get it out way, let's say dry summer again. Well, not too dry. Let's give you a little wipe, shall we? If my visor's mucky, lens is going to be mucky. Bit drier up here, look, way. I don't know if we have to sneak past some of these lorries and that. Lot of traffic this time of day. What is it? 25 past 8. Normally hang about while they service my bike. Got a barber's at Chris Walker's, and so I've got booked in for my haircut and all. Yeah, summer's on its way. It's been a long winter. Been a long winter. I've been watching that much YouTube. I think I've watched it all. YouTube, yeah, watched all that. And I tell you what is getting worse on there, adverts. Hey, what's all that about? Don't get any on mine. Some of them videos on there, you get video going, a minute and a half, advert. 2 minutes later, another advert. Not watching that. Whoever's done the video, they'll be halfway through a sentence and an advert will come on. Ruins it. Absolutely ruins it. I don't know. I will not be monetising my videos. I'm not going to all that work just for YouTube to be slapping random shit in the middle of them. Nope. So yeah, while we're on it, thank you to the subscribers. Can't believe how the channel's growing. Absolutely fantastic. You know, we don't take it serious, try and have a laugh. You've got to keep smiling. Sorry for moaning, but this video malarkey is just part of the hobby for me. I love my bike, love my biking. You know, been on the road since my 17th birthday. Had a brand new bike delivered on my 17th birthday. Doing it since. And then bought a camera, stuck it on me. I went, I don't know, we'll put these on YouTube. But, you know, just thankful for them what do watch them, and if they're subscribing, then there must be something there. So, you know, don't forget about your YouTube subscribers. When I won't be forgetting about you. Appreciate you very much. Get past this lorry up this hill, because it's 2 lanes in a minute. Go on, hutch up. How's he going? Yeah, sorry for moaning, but that's that off my chest, innit? It's a controversial one, but you know. Right, just a very short run up the A1 here. A few hundred yards up the A1 here now. Off into Grantham. What time is it? Oh, weird. Hey, steady. Which way is he going? He must be going straight on, look. No indication. Hey! Oh, somebody's in trouble somewhere. Go on, boys. Queuing down here. Watch up. There we are. Shit. Oh, she's dirty. She's dirty. She's bloody dirty again. I bet they're not up yet. But they're not up yet. Oh, look at that. Oh, they up. There he comes. So these lovely bikes. Morning, Richard.
Only 'cause it's you.
I'm special.
I'll lock it back up again.
Yeah, little bike serviced. Just had my hair cut by the lovely Cara. Where you going?
I don't do things.
New tyres on it, some new hoops on it. He's taking it for a test ride. Don't fall off it.
Rev it.
Back on the road in a bit. Yeah. So, cocked up. Didn't press record when I was coming home, so. But we're at home now. There we go. We've got some new hoops on, look. Road 6s. Hey, look at them. Oh, bloody tractor tyres. So yeah. I'm not very happy. Got home, looked at my footage, thought, well, I'll make a video here. And that's it. No footage. It's on your hand. So yeah. No footage of me coming home. Oh, tractor. So yeah, not very happy about that. Oh, never mind, eh? All serviced. Dirty. But I'm home now. Didn't get wet anyway, so it's the main thing, isn't it? So we're home now. Let's go and see if I can make a video. So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.